Hey everyone, DevLead here. In this video, we are going to create a development environment for React. So if you like this video, hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to see more tech videos. Okay, so first things first, we need to install Node. So I'm going to search Node.js in my web browser. So if you see Node.js link, that is the first link. So what is Node.js? Node.js is an open source cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment that executes JavaScript code outside of a web browser. So this is not a course about Node.js. The only thing which I need to tell you here, we need Node to run our JavaScript code, our React code. So go ahead and install Node. So we will go to nodejs.org, and as I'm using Windows, probably you might be using Mac, so you need to download the Mac version. So I'm going to download this one, recommended for most users. Once Node application is downloaded, I'm going to click on this link and I'm going to install Node in my machine. So I already have Node installed on my machine, so I'm not going to install it, but it's a cakewalk. You just need to click on this next button. You keep clicking on next button and it is going to get installed on your machine. So I'm going to cancel this for now. And if you need to check whether Node has been successfully installed on your machine, you just need to go to command prompt and you can check for node dash version. You need to use this command node dash version, press enter, and you see I have Node version 12 installed on my machine. And if you don't get any output here in the form of a version, probably Node is not installed on your machine. So once you have a Node installed on your machine, next step would be to have a development environment for React. And I don't want to get into the details of creating a development environment for React from scratch. That would be a separate course, I can say, and creating a development environment for React from scratch would take a lot of time. But we are in mercy of Facebook, the Facebook community, and they have created a really versatile development environment for React. So we are going to use create React app. So you can go to Google and search for create a React app. Just need to click on this link. So you see create a new React app, use an integrated tool chain for best user and developer experience. So once Node is installed on your machine, you just need to come down. We just need to run this command npx create react app my app, and our application will be ready. So I'm going to provide you with this folder, the exercise files. The link will be in the description of this video. So you just need to go into this 02 folder because this is second video, and go into the start folder. So say suppose you want to open this folder in command prompt, you just need to go here and type cmd, press enter, and this is going to get open in a command prompt. So I'm into my exercise files 02 start, and I'm going to type a command called npx create react app, and the next argument to this create react app command is the name of the application. So say suppose you're creating a hello world application, you can give it a name of hello world, but as I want to create the application inside start folder. I don't want to give it a name. I'm going to use a dot. So npx create react app dot. This is going to create the React application structure inside my exercise files start folder. So I'm going to press enter, and it is going to take a while for creating the folder structure for our React application. So just to save time, I'm going to push it forward. Zoom. So once your create React app has been successfully run, you will see this happy hacking, and our project structure is ready. So I'm going to go into the folder structure. So if I go to the start folder, you see, right, the React has created all of these files. The create React app has created all of these files for me. So I don't need to create the source folder and all of these files, and even I don't need to install all of the node modules which are required for creating the React application. I mean, I'm hungry, I want to eat food. I don't want to get into the difficulties of going to the grocery shop, buying vegetables, buying stuff, come home and make food, right? I mean, cooking. I'm hungry and I want to satisfy my hunger. Why not go ahead and order food online? That is the other option if you prefer. So this create React app is like, we are not going into the details of creating the React application from scratch, but we have the tools, we have the tools, we have the required folder structure created for us automatically by create React app toolchain. So I'm going to open this in Visual Studio. So I'm using Visual Studio for writing all of my React application code. You can use your favorite editor, whichever you want. I feel this is a really good editor for web developers. So you see all of these source files like app.js, and everything has been created for us by the create React app. So if you want to run your React application, like I am in my start project and I want to run my React project, you just need to type npm start, and you see the browser is automatically getting opened. There you go. Our first React application is running in the browser. So you see this React logo here, and they're saying like edit source/app.js and save to reload. We can even run this application in Chrome. So if you don't want to use IE, probably you can go to Chrome. You can run the application in Chrome. So I can just write localhost 3000 and the application is running here in the Chrome browser. Okay, so before we get started with creating our React application, I want to do some cleanup in the app.js file, because if I go back to my application, you see we don't need this logo, this text, or this link. I mean, I need to start with a clean slate. So I'm going to remove these files and then link to those files, and I'm going to clean up this div, and I'm just going to write probably hello React and save it. So if you go back, you see you're just seeing the hello React. So our application is getting automatically refreshed. This is the beauty of create React app. I mean, we don't need to get into the details of creating all those files, structure, and this automatic behavior and all those things. All of these things are handled by Create React App. So we are good. I think we are ready with our project structure. And we can get started creating some React components.